Dismantle, inspect. Here is the your practical. Dismantle, inspect, and reassemble the centrifugal clutch. Okay. So as we discussed previously, as we discussed previously, what is the centrifugal clutch? What is the centrifugal clutch? Centrifugal clutch is a clutch which is the based on the principle of centrifugal force. Okay, and what is the centrifugal force? Centrifugal force is the for a force which is act toward the center. Okay, so on that principle, centrifugal clutch is worked. So we can discuss. See here, centrifugal clutch. Centrifugal clutch, its work on the principle of centrifugal force, which is I already told you. Centrifugal force is increased with the increase of the speed. Okay, whatever the speed, centrifugal force is increased. If say in the formula basis, then we can say that centrifugal force is directly proportional to the speed or velocity. Okay, so speed is increases so that velocity, centrifugal force is increases. So the best thing about the centrifugal clutch is that in the centrifugal clutch we don't need to a pedal to disengage or engage the clutch with the driving shaft. Okay, if speed is low, it automatically disengages, and if speed is high, then it is attached. On this phenomena, this work. Okay, see here in first diagram. See here, this is the load. We can say this is the load. Okay, so what happened when the centrifugal is it's rotate? The centrifugal force is work toward the center. Okay, so in this direction centrifugal force is attached. So what happens? See here, it toward engage the drum, and here the friction ring is attached, and friction ring is also attached here, which attached to the drum, and the clutch is applied in the application of the fluid, application of the speed. Okay, or whatever we can say, it consider a spider having radial guides, sliding shoe, helical tension spring, coaxial drum. Okay, it consists of slider having radial guide, slider shoe, helical tension springs, and coaxial drum. The spider having four equal paired radial guides is key to the driving shaft. Sliding shoe can slide radially in the guides. Okay, so see the previous what happened, one, two, three, four. Four the guide, and here is the spring like this. So what happened? The spring is extended when the centrifugal force is applied. The spring is extended when the centrifugal force is applied, and by the application of this, see, the sliding shoe are covered with the frictional material from outer side. These shoes are held against spider on the driving shaft by the helical tension spring, and all these assemble in the enclosed in the coaxial drum which the mounted on the driving shaft. Okay, so this is the coaxial drum which is mounted on the driver shaft, and when the speed is high, so these frictional shoe attached to the drum and clutch is applied. Now, soft are mostly available up to 7 meters per length due to the transport difficulty. To get a greater length, it necessary to join two or more pieces of the soft. Okay. For this purpose, we use coupling. So coupling is not there. Just we can say that now I show you a video. So just go through the video. Okay. In this video, the working of centrifugal pump, centrifugal clutch, and its assembly and de-assembly shown. So you better this fractional surface is there, shoe is there, driving shaft is there. So these things is complete assemble and deassemble in solid work. Okay. Now see, this is the this drum is used for the demonstration purpose. So here two springs and two shoe is there. But in actual what happened? Four spring and four shoe is there. Okay. So you see there is a gap. There is a gap between shoe and outer drum. Okay. Because speed is low, then the distance between them maximum is there. When speed is high, speed is increased, then what happened? The this shoe is attached to the outer drum. See like this. What happened? The outer drum is rotated with them. See, I once show you. See once again. See. So this is the initial condition when the shoe brake or this shoe is not attached to the drum, and when the speed is increased, now they are connected due to the centrifugal force. Due to the centrifugal force. and speed is reduced, then they get disconnected to each other. So the trigger for engage and disengage of the clutch here is the speed. Now this is the sectional view. You see properly. See disengagement of the clutch. So this is the D assembly. Shoe 1, shoe 2, spring 1, spring 2 is there. Then attached spring holder is there. That is number in 4. This is the soft. We can say this is the clutch soft. This is the drum soft. This is the key, and this is the keyway, and here is bolt is there. So these are the parts. See, dismantling of the clutch, centrifugal clutch is there. Now again start the coupling, and it means connected to each other. And this animation is made in the SolidWorks, which is a CAD software. So here you see the animation type. Now what is your manual content for this? See, dismantle, inspect and reassemble the centrifugal clutch. I also share this manual to you. Now see here what is given your manual. Okay, what is the practical significance? A centrifugal clutch is a device which automatically engage and disengage as per the variation in
सर
the
आवाज नहीं आ
speed.
रहा आपका?
Hello, hello, hello. Okay, students. So in this practical, as multi-plate clutch, single plate clutch, cone clutch, what happened there? There is a lever, given lever, which is responsible to engage and disengage the clutch to the driver shaft. Okay, but in this centrifugal clutch, what happened? Engagement and disengagement is depend upon the speed of the vehicle. Okay, if so, as what happened? As the use of clutch pedal is eliminated. So there is no requirement of the clutch pedal. So it is widely used in vehicle which have automatic transmission is there. Okay, I mean centrifugal clutch is much required in the automatic transmission. To address the fault related to the operation of the centrifugal clutch, it is essential to identify the different component of the clutch. These tasks include disassembling or dismantling and assemble of the centrifugal clutch, identify the component and understand the operation. So, what are the program outcome covered in the practical? So, basic knowledge, discipline knowledge, experimental and practical means practice, and individual and teamwork. Okay, because engagement and disengagement of the centrifugal clutch need a teamwork. Okay, on the initial level. Okay, and next is your what happened? Okay, so again come here. So what is the competency and skills? One of the main competency that a mechanical engineer student should possess is perform the job of mechanical supervisor in automobile industry. Okay, to include this competency, following skill are developed in the student after conducting this practical. Okay, use relevant tool and equipment for dismantling and assembly of the various automobile system component. Inspect the component assembly of the given vehicle. It means what are the sorry, it means what are the components used okay, it means what are the components used to assembly make a system of centrifugal clutch. We have to know what are the course outcomes. Select service tool for the relevant service operation in the automobile shop. Practical outcome: dismantle, inspect and reassemble of the centrifugal clutch. Okay, so we just come in the construction. So this is the two-dimensional diagram of centrifugal clutch. So here this is the spring, this is the spring, this is the flywheel. So this is the sectional view. So you see this view is 1/4 part of full clutch assembly. Now, see here. You see the actual diagram of the spring. You see actual diagram of the clutch, centrifugal clutch. So now you see here is the spring, okay, and this is the one, two, three. Three shoe is there, which is extended after increasing the speed. Okay, means if speed is increases, then they are attached to the outer drum. See, this is the transmission pulley which is attached to the gear box, and this is the fractional leaning who is covered to the transmission pulley. Clutch mosses is there, and this is the bearing. This is the driving plate, and this is the clutch hub. So all the things is attached together. This is the centrifugal clutch assembly. Okay, part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But spring is not there. So see here. Instrument and component demonstration working model centrifugal clutch. Okay, so in actual what happened, the centrifugal clutch model is available in the laboratory, which you have to inspect. Okay, see here, centrifugal clutch assembly 1. Basic hand tool is 1. What is the basic hand tool? See here, spanner set, ring spanner set, scooter spanner set, ball pin hammer, and filler, screwdriver is all the things. Measuring tool and gauges, vernier caliper, micro screw, micrometer screw gauge, and filler gauge. All the things to measure the dimension and shape and size of the component which is in the centrifugal clutch. Okay, 9. Precautions to be followed. Refer the appropriate service manual. Okay, mean whatever the centrifugal clutch model we going to disassemble or assemble, the service manual is always given to the with the part. Okay, before assembly or disassembly we must follow that manual. Use a specified tool, a special tool and other equipment only. Okay, don't use anything to open the component or deassembling the component. Okay, procedure: deassembling, remove kick starter pedal if necessary, remove right slide crankcase cover screw using the impact screwdriver, remove crankcase side cover, remove gear change release mechanism, remove nut from the end of the crankshaft, slide clutch unit off the crank end, compress clutch to release spring by pulling and clutch and disc using the press off device. Remove large plate span ring is used. Remove plate and disc. Remove the primary drive gear and clutch. Remove centrifugal weight and compress clutch drive plate covered together to release the spring tension on the cover plate attaching the board. Okay, remove board and spare parts. Now, what you have to inspect? Clean the Visual inspect all the part for the various wear and damage. Measure the thickness of the disc linen using the micrometer and compare with the specific value. Okay, so we can measure the things and compare that if there is possibility to replace or not. Okay, measure the free length of the all clutch spring and compare with the specific value. Now we can start the assembling. Install damper, spring, assemble drive plate and clutch and compress it press by wise. Okay. So install clutch cover bolt, tighten them to specify. Install centrifugal bait, slide primary drive gear and clutch into hub. Install clutch plate. So these are the assembly section. Now what are the resources you have to write this. So what are the actual procedure you follow behind this? That is the theoretical things, but what actual procedure you follow you have to write there. Okay, precautions followed by you. And now indicate the parts what are your observation. Okay, part first, like you can centrifugal bait is there, what is the function, what is the measurement if necessary, and then a spring, what is the function, then keyway is there, then drum is there, brake, sorry, fraction shoe is there. So whatever the different part, you just name the part and what they are their function. If the measurement is required, then you can measure. What is the result? The result is if any part is there which is have to replacement or need to replacement, then you can replace them. And if replace part replacement is not there, then you don't need to replace any part. The all part is working good. So what are the conclusion? You just write here, and these are the question you have to write. What is the centrifugal device? What is the function of thrust bearing? What are the advantages of centrifugal clutch and what is the material for the clutch facing? Okay, these are our four questions. You have to write the all these four questions and the space is given for that. And this is the YouTube link is given here. I see if this is copied and show you if this link is working. So you can see the sweet advertisement is there. Non-escapable ad is there. Okay, so see here, this is the animated things where showing the centrifugal force is there. And this video is belongs to the homemachinework.com. Now you see all the assembly. This is the engine, here is the flywheel. This is the engine driving shaft. This is the centrifugal clutch attached here, and this is your drive to transmission. This is here is transmission is there. Okay, so the extension of this centrifugal clutch shown here. Here what happened? See here is speed is getting higher, then the clearance between drum and friction shoe is reduced when it's rotate. So there is two YouTube link is provided, so you can go through that link so you can get the visual information regarding the working of centrifugal pump, sorry, centrifugal clutch.